purchasing a wooden play kitchen set for your child. There are many types of play kitchen sets. Some are plastic and may last a couple of years, but if you want a good, durable kitchen set, a wooden kitchen set will be the best investment for your dollar. In today's economy, with many having to pinch the dollar, there are many aspects to look at. Do you want your dollar to purchase a plastic set that will last a short while, or a unique wooden play kitchen set that will last for a long time? There are many styles of wooden play kitchen sets. Some are natural colored and others are brightly colored. Many wooden play kitchen sets consist of a wooden toy cupboard, wooden toy stove, wooden toy refrigerator, and even a wooden toy microwave. Some wooden play kitchen sets come already assembled, although freight costs more. Other wooden play kitchen sets come unassembled and can become a family project putting it together, or maybe a wonderful project for a parent or grandparent to put together and make it extra special knowing that it was built by that special someone.